Hi everyone, this video is about spotting hazards and potential hazards and dealing with them before they actually become a problem. Such as this one. There may have been enough room, but why take the risk? We share the road, make it easier. Next up is a very similar clip. Look as far ahead as you can. What can you see? My student starts slowing down in good time, isn't too sure of the positioning and the space for the white car, so didn't know, didn't go. In this clip, the weather's poor, we're in a school area, and it's school kick-out time. As a car driver, it's my responsibility to look after those more vulnerable. Again, as the weather's poor, pedestrians are more likely to make silly decisions in a rush, such as, but it's still my responsibility to expect and be able to deal with this.
Turn right.
Here is a great example of my student waiting until they're sure before they commit. Again, we have another good example of waiting before committing, and then later on, an example of what happens if you commit without being sure.
Stop where we are? Yeah. Good. Oh. No. Oh. Too much. Yeah, absolutely. He just didn't pay attention. Look at how far we are from the curb. We're not parked. Okay, whenever you're ready. Yeah, okay.
Look at this road. What's missing? Where will the pedestrians end up?
And just prepare to stop, let them through.
In a situation like this, what's the benefit of stopping so early?
Wait till she's off the road. And there we go. End of the road, turn left, please.
How early do you spot this? And what's your thought on the overtake?
Or did it for him? Yeah.
The blue car behind us shows the issue with not preempting a problem. So poor visibility around this corner, my student moves over to improve the view. What does the blue car do?
Okay.
Huge well done to the oncoming driver. No drama, just reversed. He didn't cause it, but he helped solve it. Final clip. I've stopped where I have because I'm not sure I can clear the lights. Watch the blue car behind me. And no, I don't just mean the dog. Keep an eye on the van behind the blue car as well. What do you think they intended to do if the lights hadn't changed? The blue car hasn't quite cleared the roundabout, so look at the effect on the traffic coming from the left. How much worse could this have been if the lights had changed just a second afterwards and the pickup behind had followed the blue car? Thank you everyone for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and I will post up another one soon. Thank you.